Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Doug in Nevada on this Anytone AT-6666. As I said before in another video, I really like these little jokers. They do not drift, they're great on sideband, great on AM, great on FM, crystal clear audio, spectral purity is awesome on them. Look great on the oscilloscope. I mean, there's not much more I can say about it, but let me get right to it here. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, about 1.5 watts all the way down, roll it all the way up, 100-watt slug, almost 8 watts, average power, hello, it'll hit about 40 bird. Peak power, hello, and puts a 100-watt slug in the corner, about 115 or so, 120. All right, Doug, I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.